Hey everyone, here is given us square root of x plus 7 minus square root of x equals to 1. We have to find out the value of x, right? So what we can do? Now first of all, we can assume the another equation, that is square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x equal to m. Now we can say this is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. So now do the multiplication with these two equations. So we can get square root of x plus 7 minus square root of x of square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x equal to 1 times m. Now here we can see the left hand side of the equation is form a minus b of a plus b, right? So we can say that will be x plus 7 whole to the power 2 minus square root of x whole to the power 2 equal to m, right? Now if we simplify that, then we can get these two and this square root will be cancelled out, and these two, this square root will be cancelled out. So here we have remained x plus 7 minus x equal to m, right? Now this x and this minus x will be cancelled out, so we have m equal to 7. Now put the value of m in this equation number 2, so we can get x plus 7 plus square root of x equal to 7, right? Now this is our equation number 3. Now we have to add the equation number 1 with equation number 3. So we can get x square root of x plus 7 minus square root of x equal to 1 and x plus 7 plus square root of x equal to 7. So if we add these two, then we can get these two are cancelled out. So here we have 2 times square root of x plus 7 equal to 1 plus 7, it will be 8, right? Now divide by 2 both sides, right? So we get these two are cancelled out, so it will be 4. Therefore x plus square root of x plus 7 equal to 4, right? Now take the square both sides, so we can get x plus 7 whole to the power 2, it will be 4 square, right? Now if we simplify that, then we can get these 2 and this square root will be cancelled out, so that will be x plus 7 equal to, this will be 16. So x will be 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. So x equal to 9. This is our final answer, right?